How to set different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Now, tap Add New Wallpaper. Select Photos and choose the picture you want to use for your lock screen. You can customize the lock screen by adjusting the clock, adding widgets, and making other changes. Once you're happy with it, tap Add in the top right corner. Now, instead of selecting Set as Wallpaper Pair, tap Customize Home Screen. Here, choose Photo, then select a different picture for your home screen. You can also choose a color, gradient, or turn on the blur option if you prefer. Once you're finished, tap Done. Now, your iPhone will have one wallpaper on the lock screen and a different wallpaper on the home screen. And that's how you can set different wallpapers on your iPhone lock screen and home screen from Settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.